I'm Judith Friedman, and I'm a senior trial attorney at the Department of Justice's Office of International Affairs in the Criminal Division. I began my involvement with the ABA Criminal Justice Section when I was in law school in, I think, 1972, a long time ago. And I've stayed active ever since because the section, for me, is a wonderful place to continue learning and learning from my colleagues, but also learning from people that do things that I am completely unfamiliar with. It's an opportunity for young people, old people like me, to get to know subject areas that are perhaps only tangentially related to what they do, but also an opportunity to network with the best and the brightest in the field of criminal justice, from police to prosecutors, the law enforcement people that I might normally be involved with, to juvenile justice professionals, judges, and defense attorneys, both public and private. And it's been a way to expand the way I think about things so that I'm not viewing my world from just a prosecutor's point of view, but from the criminal justice system. And every time I go to a CJS activity, I learn more, I grow, and I have a great time. For young people, it's the best networking opportunity I can imagine. I've always encouraged law students to get involved in the criminal justice section. They meet other people who are just like themselves, and then they can sit in meetings and learn from people who are practitioners in the real world of criminal justice. It's a fabulous organization. I've been involved, I've been on the council for 5 years during this time. I was a member, and am still a member, of prosecution function, the international committee, what was once called corrections and sentencing. There are committees for every area of criminal justice so that anything that someone might be interested in, there's a place for you in this section. So I would say that this is the place to come for anyone who has an interest in criminal law, criminal procedure, or pretty much the world in general, because as we've seen over the last years, in this country in particular, so much is going on in criminal justice, whether it's mass incarceration and new legislation to deal with that, implicit bias discussions that are going on in the press, you see it every day, problems in our cities that are leading young people into the criminal justice system when they should be in school. These are issues of our time that are of interest to everyone, and anyone who has any interest in this, I would encourage to join this section. It's just fantastic.